What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to track the open rate in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure that your email campaign is live. Once the email campaign is live, then you have to navigate yourself to the analytics. If you haven't gone into the dashboard and you won't be able to see this dashboard over here, the link will be in the description. Make sure you check it out and then sign in with your official account to get over here. Once you're over here, navigate yourself to the analytics, and in the analytics there are the conversion insights, the reports, but make sure you go to the reports. The conversion insights for the WooCommerce stores, for example, Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and all that stuff. For if you want to look for the um, conversion rates, sales rates, all that stuff, you will be able to find in the conversion rates. But go to the reports, then you will be able to see the reports about your current campaign. I haven't live campaign because it's for the video purposes, so you won't be able to see any sort of stats. But if you have a campaign live, you will be able to see the report for the campaigns. As you guys can see that it says all campaigns. You can download the report, or you can see the report over here. So the comparative reports are available for the standard and the premium users only. You wouldn't be able to see it for the free users unless you can upgrade yourself to the standard or the premium users. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye.